Hello and welcome to our channel NutureMight, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
Here are the top 8 natural hangover remedies. This expert approved at home remedies will help you tackle nausea and a throbbing headache the morning after. There are no direct cause of a hangover, but these natural remedies can help reduce some of the most common symptoms. After an evening of drinking alcohol, you may find yourself waking up to a throbbing headache, unbearable nausea, excessive thirst, and an extreme fatigue. You are hungover, but not to worry, you are not alone. There are the most commonly reported symptoms of a hangover according to a study published in September 2017 in the journal Human Psychopharmacology. The body absorbs a fixed amount of alcohol per hour. That amount varies widely depending on numerous factors, including sex, body mass, and how heavily the individual drinks. Says Edward Coupe 2, MD, a Yale Medicine emergency doctor in New Haven, Connecticut, and the Yale sponsored National Institute on Drug Abuse NIDA scholar. According to Dr. Coupe, alcohol enters the bloodstream within minutes of your first sip and is then absorbed by the digestive tract, starting in the stomach before it is processed by the liver as your body works to break it down, also known as alcohol metabolism. During alcohol metabolism, a toxic byproduct called acetaldehyde is created, which your body works to eliminate, explains Peter Malamet, DO, an emergency medicines physician at Michael Callaghan Military Medical Center in Las Vegas, Nevada. How you feel can often depend on how fast you metabolize acetaldehyde and how fast you can get rid of it, says Dr. Malamet. Some other people's don't break down acetaldehyde as well as others, says him. Although the bulk of alcohol metabolism occurs in the liver, it is believed that some alcohol metabolism can occur in the pancreas and brain, according to National Institute on Alcohol Abuse and Alcoholism. So, what exactly caused that extreme thirst, horrible headache, and feelings of nausea? Kelly Kennedy, RD, Everyday Health Surf nutritionist, says the impurities in alcohol, which vary from one type of alcohol to another, can also contribute to the severity of the hangover. In other words, the more pure the alcohol, the less severe the hangover. Kennedy advises drinking in moderation and emphasizes that there's no real cure for a hangover except not to get one in the first place. But what if you want to enjoy a few cocktails and not feel terrible the following day? There are few things you can do to ease the pain. Number 1. Drink water to avoid dehydration. The alcohol in your drink acts as a diuretic which can make you urinate more, explains Kennedy. This can lead to dehydration, which is one of the major causes of hangover symptoms. In other words, that dessert level thirst that wakes you up in the wee hours of the morning is a signal that you are well on the way to hangover. The amount of water that you take in should equal that amount you lose, and alcohol can upset this balance. If you know you will be drinking that night, stay well hydrated throughout the day and have plenty to drink before heading to bed. And if you do wake up with a hangover, do your best to drink as much water as you can. Even having little sips every so often will help, she says. Number 2. Drink other fluids to restore electrolytes. Because alcohol is a diuretic and you are urinating a lot, you are also losing electrolytes and you can experience dizziness, nausea, and cramping as a result, says Malamat, who credits an electrolyte imbalance as one of the leading causes of feeling fatigued from a hangover. What electrolyte rich drinks should you reach for? Kennedy recommends sports drinks and broth to help restore and replace lost electrolytes and to get you back on the mend faster. Research published in February 2015 in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research showed that drinking electrolytes after long periods of dehydration can significantly help restore important minerals like sodium, potassium, and calcium. Fermented drinks like kombucha can also be beneficial to drink when feeling nutrient depleted because they are rich in minerals, antioxidants, and good for your gut bacteria. Number 3. Eat nutrient-rich food before and after drinking. To prevent a hangover, past research has shown pairing alcohol with food can help your body more efficiently metabolize the alcohol. The digestion of food before or during alcohol consumption can help increase antidiuretic hormone levels ADH, sugar fructose, and blood flow to the liver, all which work to help your body more quickly break down alcohol. What do you eat if you're already hungover? Contrary to popular belief, greasy foods will not help you absorb a hangover. Craving a bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich the morning after a night out drinking is your body's response to low blood sugar and dehydrations, explains Maggie Michalczak, RDN, a dietitian and food blogger based in Chicago. But it's not going to absorb the alcohol that's already made its way through your liver. Instead, complex carbohydrates like fruits and vegetables are your best bet, says Michalczak. Experts recommend reaching for fruits like bananas because they are chock full of minerals like potassium that alcohol can deplete. A roughly 7-inch long banana has 42 milligrams of potassium and 32 milligrams of magnesium, according to the US Department of Agriculture. If you can handle the sound of a blender, a smoothie of coconut water and banana, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, and your favorite protein powder is what Michalczak orders. Number 4. Try ginger to ease nausea. Doctors and nutritionists alike agree that ginger is one of the best natural remedies for soothing an upset stomach, which is often a common symptom of hangover. Kennedy explains that ginger can aid digestion and in this way can erase stomach upset, who credits alcohol irritating the lining of the stomach as one of the reasons for hangover related nausea. The chemical compounds in ginger are believed to help ease stomach pain and aid digestion. A meta-analysis published in December 2019 in the Journal of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics found that ginger reduced vomiting in cancer patients receiving chemotherapy treatment by 60%, and fatigue by 80%. You can enjoy this superfood in many different ways. For soothing an upset stomach, try brewing some ginger tea or mixing fresh ginger into a smoothie. Number 5. Have chamomile to reduce anxiety or anxiety. For some, hangover induced anxiety or anxiety can be as taxing emotionally as some of the physical symptoms of an hangover. If this doesn't sound familiar, it might be because anxiety affects us all differently. In a study published March 2019 in the journal Personality and Individual Differences, researchers discovered that shy people had greater anxiety levels the day after drinking alcohol. Michael Zick suggests chamomile tea to calm any emotionally overwhelming feeling brought on by drinking, and research supports using this flowering plant to soothe anxiety. Double bonus: chamomile can help you sleep more soundly and relieve an upset stomach, according to the National Center for Complementary and Integrative Health NCCIH. Number 6. Restore energy with vitamin B and protect immunity with vitamin C. Many hangover symptoms result from nutrient deficiencies, and vitamin B is particularly affected by alcohol use, according to a study in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition. Vitamin B is responsible for energy, brain function, and keeping the immune system and nervous system acting properly. A depletion of vitamin B can be associated with the feelings of fatigue and low energy levels. If you still can't get your mind off breakfast sandwiches, Michael Zick suggests eating eggs, which are great source of the energy producing B vitamins that alcohol flushes out, with lean protein like turkey bacon and a whole grain English muffin. According to experts, another vitamin to be mindful of when recovering from a hangover is vitamin C. Research published in 2015 in Alcohol Research Current Reviews showed a connection between alcohol use and a weakened immune system, impairing the body's ability to defend itself. To avoid opening yourself up to colds, viruses, and potential alcohol related illness, load up on vitamin C with fruits and vegetables like broccoli, which is 135% of the daily value per cup, according to USDA. Also, reach for oranges, red bell peppers, kiwis, and strawberries. Number 7. Avoid medication that can cause adverse effects with alcohol. There are certain drugs that can interact with alcohol and cause severe hangover like symptoms, explains Melamed. One in particular to be mindful of is flagyl, which is often used to treat bacterial infections of the skin, stomach, vagina, joints, or respiratory tract. Other common medication when consumed with alcohol can cause dizziness, drowsiness, impaired concentration, and an increased risk of overdose. According to the National Institute of Alcohol Abuse and Alcoholism, this includes antidepressants like Effexor, Lexapro, Wellbutrin, and Zoloft, stimulants such as Adderall or Ritalin, and benzodiazepines that treat anxiety, including Xanax and clonazepam. Allergy medications can negatively interact with alcohol as well. Melamed recommends always speaking with your doctor about possible medication interactions. Some medications interact with the body's ability to break down the alcohol, which can increase the severity of the hangover. Melamed says. Number 8. Go back to bed to restore circadian rhythm. One of the most restorative remedies you can try when hangover is simply to get more sleep. In fact, delayed cognitive function during a hangover is likely linked to the poor sleep associated with alcohol use, according to Harvard Health. In fact, a study published in December 2018 in the journal Addiction found that a hangover may impair sustained attention and negatively impact everyday tasks like driving. The National Sleep Foundation notes that alcohol disrupts your circadian rhythm and prevents REM sleep. It's unlikely you will fall into a deep, restful sleep after drinking more than a glass of wine or two. Poor sleep, according to Harvard, is linked to anxiety, irritability, and depressed mood, and alcohol as a depressant exacerbates these effects. It's been shown that you're unable to achieve the usual REM sleep cycle when drinking alcohol. So, even if you are getting a couple hours of sleep, you are probably not getting good sleep, says Malamet. The best way to feel better sooner, hydrate and hit the snooze button.
Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.